कैसे हैं आप लोग? I welcome you all in my channel Coding by Fun and चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So we have to find the sum of n numbers or sum of square of n numbers and sum of cube of n numbers. So let's see the formulas and one examples for each of them. Right. So let's see the first one, that is the sum of the first n positive integers, and you all know to find it the formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. The sum of n natural numbers, or you can say the sum of first n positive numbers. So let's say the example first. Find the sum of the first 100 positive integers. So n equals to 100, and that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 100. So we know the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. So just put n is 100. So 100 into 100 plus 1, that is 101 divided by 2. So you can solve it and you will get the final answer 5050. So let's move on. This is the second sum of square of first n positive integers, or you can say the sum of square of the first n natural numbers. So formula for calculating it is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So let's see the example first. We have to find the sum of square of the first 100 positive integers. So n is 100, and what we have to find? We have to find this 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and up to 100 square. So we know the formula for it. 100 into 100 plus 1, that is 101, into 2n plus 1, that is 200 plus 1, that is 201 divided by 6. So after solving it, you will get the answer as 338350. So let's move to the last one, that is the sum of the cube of first n positive integers, and formula for calculating it is n square into n plus 1 to the power 2 and divided by 4, or you may write n into n plus 1 by 2 to the whole square, right? So the example is to find the sum of the cube of first 200 positive integer, and n is 200, and what we have to find is n cube, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to 200 cube. So we know the formula. Just put n is equals to 2, so it's 200. So it's 200 square into 201 to the power 2 divided by 4. So after solving it, you will get the answer. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much. And if you like this video, you can share with your friends, subscribe my channel, and also click on the bell icon. See you. Bye bye.